my own handmade miso and mixed. taberu.club. Hi everyone, I'm Reina. Today I will make miso soup. It's a Japanese traditional soup and I will use my own handmade miso and mixed. And today I will use this kind of vegetable and I will make before the cutting the vegetable. I will make dashi. I'm going to make soup stock with Katsuobushi. This is kind of tuna and this is seaweed kombu. So let's get started. Okay, today I prepared water. Here, 1 liter water. And first, put in kombu here. You don't have to wash kombu, just clean the skin with a little bit water. Okay, then inside, not boiled, just water. I can touch. Okay, then start the fire. Now it's not big fire, middle class. Then wait. Okay, and before boiled, I will put out from water this seaweed. Okay, this is 10 gram and this Katsuobushi is 20 gram. Okay, so I have to wait. I'm waiting, so I will cut this vegetable. I just wash, and today I choose 4 kinds of vegetable. Maybe any vegetable is okay also, but today this is radish and this is carrot and this is tamanegi, onion and bean. Okay, string vegetables in Japan. Okay, cut here. I don't use and here also. Okay. Just cut like this. Half. Okay. Not so small. Maybe like this. This is a beans. It's a spring taste. Now in Japan, it's April. Okay, you can put in whole, but today I will cut. It looks more cute and easy to eat. This is top of radish. This radish like this amount. Okay, cut. I don't use here. Someone peel the skin, but I put in with skin because radish skin has a lot of nutrition. So now I will check here, and can you see this? This is more bigger size, you know. Then it's coming good taste here. And before boiled, you know, I will give you kelp before the water and boiling. Okay, now it's time to pick up. Okay, can you see this? Mm, ちゃんと出汁が出てる。Okay, then now put in the 削り節、鰹節。Okay, here. Yes. Just 1 minute. You must wait. いいね。Good smell. Okay, I like to cut vegetables here. Oh, can you see the here a little bit boiling? And the smell. Okay. Now I will こす。Okay. Press hot water at this time. Yes. Okay. And now, don't push. Okay. Today I will use this dashi for soup stock for miso soup. Move here. Okay. Yes. Today I don't use this. Okay, this is clear. And okay, this soup stock called first soup stock. And then after this, you can use these materials for second soup stock. But today I don't make it. Okay, today I will use this. Okay, so this is prepared. So I will turn on the fire now. Then I will enter the vegetables here. Okay. This is radish. If you enter many kinds vegetables, it's more delicious because they has own taste. That's why. But usually in Japan we don't use tomato for miso soup. Okay. And sometimes I'm using crabs or fish. Okay. This cutting is, we say, rangiri. And make same size, please. Okay. And carrot and radish and also onion is okay to first, but these beans are more you 火が通りやすいので。豆は火が通りやすいので後で入れます。
Beans are easy to cook, so I'll put them in later.
Okay, beans are easy. Okay. Beans are easy to stock. Beans are easy to cook, so I will put them in later. Okay. Beans are easy to cook, so I will put them in later. Okay, so just wait. Yeah. じゃあ一回止めてください。はい。Now it's boiled, good taste, soft. Then I will put in these beans here. Okay. These beans will be change the color more bright color. Then it's enough to cook. Okay. No. Okay. No. Very good color, isn't it? Okay. Then stop. No more boiling. Then put the miso. I made this is 5% salt miso, and this is older one. This is 2 years ago I made, and this is I bought, and also I bought this, but this is 麦が原料だよ。麦が原料のお味噌です。
Miso made from wheat.
Okay. This miso made from wheat. Okay. Then I recommend you miso mixed. It's more tasty because they are different umami here. So usually I use 3 kinds. Several times I use 4, not 5. It depends on the day. Okay. Then, okay, I will choose this. Yeah. It's no rule. It's the feeling. Okay. Then, we say 味噌を溶く。だいぶいい感じ。Then softer and mixed water and the miso, like this. No bowl. No more bowl. No more dumpling. Okay. Yes. Oh, you can use meat also inside industries. Okay. Then mix. Oh, いいね. It looks so delicious and just taste. Ah, 美味しい. It's very good. It's very delicious miso soup. Then a little bit warm up. Little bit. Not boiled. Please don't boil anymore. Just warm. Okay. It's because this is still alive. So please make miso soup good color. いや、美味しそう。美味しいよこれ。 It's delicious miso soup. It's traditional one. Okay, let's get eat. Yes. はい、いただきます。いい香り。It's very good smell. Ah, 出汁が美味しい。The soup stock taste is very very good, and also miso. It's not too soft.
Vegetables are boiled with just the right hardness.
Okay. Vegetables are boiled with just the right hardness. Hardness っていうのね。ちょうどいい硬さ。人参も美味しい。そうそう。Japanese food, traditional Japanese food, we can taste each industry's taste and mix together. The harmony is very very good. Crunchy. It's really delicious. So please make miso soup with your home. This is very very tasty and healthy. So today you see this movie. Thank you, and please subscribe and push the good button please, and see you next time. Bye.